Recently, we're at a session of Manitowoc University, held regularly at the Manitowoc Education and Technology Center, where we took the opportunity to talk to product specialists about their equipment and the innovations in design and construction that helps operators achieve more with less operational cost.
Our panels are 4 inches, are standard panels. They are all 100% foamed in place with polyurethane foam using a 245 FA blowing agent, which is the best in the industry, non-ozone depleting. The 4-inch panels all exceed the federal insulation requirements, all exceeding the R values that are required by the federal government that was put into place January 1st, 2009. The 4-inch panels, the manufacturing process that we use for our 4-inch panel, with it being fully foamed in place, is that we actually use a fixture where we put the bottom skin, top skin, put locks around the perimeter into the fixtures, and then we foam in place the panel, which includes foaming in place the gasket. The gasket is actually the manufacturing method is a double 90, where the vinyl gasket is placed onto the metal and it's foamed in place so that you're going to get a good airtight seal when you seal those panels together. The doors of our walk-ins are, the plug is a full 4-inch foamed in place plug. The door jamb is also a full 4-inch foamed in place jamb. The jamb and the door perimeter are made out of FRP, which is fiberglass reinforced plastic, and this is not only for structural integrity but also provides a thermal break. If you're in an older home and you have metal windows, and when seasons change you get condensation because of the metal in those windows. Since we're not using a metal door jamb and using FRP, that prevents the condensation from happening around your door. Our standard door hardware with the 2 spring-loaded adjustable hinges and the door closer satisfies the federal energy regulations, so that you don't have to have an air curtain to satisfy the energy regulations. And you can see the functionality of these door hinges are going to, within 120 degrees, will automatically close that door to make sure that you have a good tight fit. It gets within 1 inch, the door closer takes over and closes it. Third item I'd like to point out is our floors. Our standard floor, again, is a full 4-inch foamed in place floor. It comes with a .100 smooth aluminum finish as the standard. You can also get foamed in place up to a 1/4 inch diamond tread foamed in place finish as well. The standard floor is rated to 700 pounds per square foot. That is for floor traffic. It is not for mobile traffic. If you want cart traffic, then you need to either put an overlay on it or to go into our structural floor. Our structural floor will go up to 5,000 pounds for mobile traffic and 15,000 pounds for stationary loads. And the way that we get that additional structural strength is we add an FRP support system into it that's a honeycombed, again, for fiberglass reinforced plastic, that is placed at 18-inch increments within the floor panel, and then it's topped off with 3/4 inch plywood to give you the additional load ratings that you need on the structural floor. A major factor that sets Kolpak apart from our competitors is that we actually manufacture our own refrigeration systems in-house. What does that mean for you? It means that because we're manufacturing these refrigeration systems only for food storage use, food service use, they come complete with a number of the components and accessories pre-assembled. Why do we do that? We do that because in our last manufacturing step, we do a quality check where we actually start the system up, and we know that everything that's pre-assembled on that refrigeration system, nothing leaks. So that when that system comes to you in the field, we know that it's going to start up and we know that it's going to operate properly. Custom products, also referred to as engineered to order, but these are any size, any shape, any color. Wherever you want a walk-in built, Kolpak can provide that. And with an unending number of finishes, options, accessories. We offer quite a few standard ones, and if there's some that we don't offer, we'll find it and we'll add it to your walk-in for you. A polar pack, which is a unit that runs from a 4x5 up through a 10x10. It has self-contained refrigeration, and what self-contained refrigeration does for you is you can install the walk-in without having to have a refrigeration technician, so your installation costs can be greatly reduced. These are great opportunities for a smaller type of restaurant, a sandwich type shop, or someone that has limited space that they're dealing with. 10x10 is still a pretty good size walk-in, but you are limited to a 10x10 size. They can come in coolers, freezers, indoor, outdoor, floorless. You can even make them into combos. The pre-engineered is sort of an extension of the polar pack, but it comes with remote refrigeration, and it can go from a 6x6 up to a 10x24 compartment size. So you've got a much larger range of sizes available to you. In both the polar pack and the pre-engineered, they both come in only one finish, and that's Galvalume inside and out, and that's the limitation. The pre-engineered gives you a limited number of options. Most of those options would be something that would be added after the manufacturing process.
Why kolpak? Thoughtful design, robust environmentally friendly construction, rigorous testing prior to shipping, low operational costs and assured food safety, long service life and reliability. Kolpak, the gold standard in walk-in refrigeration.